A customer came in complaining about the check engine light being on. After connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue, I found two codes: P0447, Evaporative Emission System Vent Control Circuit Open, and P0455, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Large Leak. These codes indicated potential issues in the Evaporative Emission EVAP system, which is responsible for controlling fuel vapor emissions. To begin, I inspected the EVAP system for visible faults, such as damaged hoses, disconnected components, or obvious leaks. Everything appeared to be intact, with no apparent issues. Using the scan tool, I attempted to seal the EVAP system to test its functionality. However, the EVAP canister vent solenoid did not respond, suggesting it could be the source of the problem. Next, I inspected the EVAP canister vent solenoid's wiring harness and connector for signs of damage, such as frayed wires, loose connections, or corrosion. Both appeared to be in good condition. To confirm proper power and ground, I used a multimeter with the ignition on and the engine off. The test showed that both voltage and ground were present at the EVAP canister vent solenoid connector. With the power supply confirmed, I tested the EVAP canister vent solenoid itself for continuity using a multimeter. The test revealed no continuity, meaning the solenoid's internal circuit was open and the component was faulty. The EVAP canister vent solenoid is a critical part of the EVAP system, as it opens and closes to regulate the venting of fuel vapors. A faulty solenoid can lead to an open circuit, P0447, and an inability to properly seal the system, causing large leaks to be detected, P0455. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty EVAP canister vent solenoid with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This diagnostic process ensured the root cause of the problem was accurately identified and resolved. Testing the solenoid's electrical circuit and functionality confirmed it was the source of the issue, allowing for an effective repair. A properly functioning EVAP system is essential for reducing emissions, maintaining fuel efficiency, and ensuring environmental compliance.